Today we are going to do a faux leather keychain. Alright, so we're going to select our image, upload, and today we're doing the Arsenal keychain. So select our image at the canvas. Then we're going to resize this image. I'm going to resize this image. We want this keychain to be about 2 inches wide. So we're going to change the width to about 1.9 because we are going to offset it later. So now we have our image size. So now we're going to go offset. We're going to offset it to about 0.1 inch and we apply that. So selecting the offset, we're going to go contour because we just want a blank image at the back. So we're going to hide all contour. Close. So now we have our two pieces. Our image that is going to be on the faux leather and this is going to be our keychain. Right, we are not done with that yet. So now we're going to duplicate this. Duplicate. And we're going to flip it. We're going to flip it vertically. So now we're going to align these two so they are in line. Align, and we can align them left or we can align them right. So now they are perfectly aligned. We can adjust the space using our arrow key, or we could just click and draw. So we want about an inch of space between the two sides. So now if we make any shift, we just combine again and then we align. Go to our shapes, select square, and these two pieces going to be attached. So we want that flap. So we're going to attach, unlock, change the width to about 0.5 of 1 inch, enter. I'm going to pull it across. I want this rectangle to be center with this shape. So we're going to select this shape, hold shift, select the rectangle. Then we're going to go align again and center horizontally. So now the rectangle is right in the center. So now we can select all by clicking out and cover everything, or we can just select one, hold shift and select all three. Then we go combine and we're going to well. So we want it to be one piece. Well, so everything is one piece now. Alright, so our faux leather is going to be red, so we can just change that color to red. And the writing on the faux leather will be white, and we're using HDP. So we can just change that to white. We can send this to the back. We can right click, send to the back, or we can just shift the place over the layout panel, put it to the bottom, and this is now at the back. So now we want this to be centered. So select both and we're going to align center horizontally. Alright, so if we need a next piece on the back of the keychain, we can just duplicate this one. So now we have two pieces. So now we are all ready to click make it. Make it. Now we are going to use a mat. We select the size mat that you're using. In my case, I'm using the 12 by 12. Click confirm. Remember, these going to be cut on HDV. So we have to mirror. Remember to always mirror your image. This one, you don't need to mirror. This is going to be the letter going to cut on. And then we're going to click continue. Now we're on our material page. We're going to select our material. So for the first mat, we're going to use our everyday iron-on settings. Select that. Now we're going to get our warning saying that make sure mirror is turned on, so we double check. And remember to place the shiny side down. Then we're going to load our material onto the Cricut. Go ahead and press go.